Hey, stop there. Which one you know?
You think say they wise?
Because I greet him.
Mumu man.
I saw that you're great person. I saw that you're great person. You know, all this much, they know. I saw that you're great. All this stupid.
They shot you.
I know if you give all these small children sense again. That's the problem. Only this one.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
A few moments later.
Young boy. Good afternoon. How you doing? Well done. Greet your mommy for me, eh?
Please like and subscribe.
You must get this.